today we will understand derivatives in a simplest way possible. Now, what are derivatives? Basically, derivatives is a financial instrument whose value depends on something else, like stock prices, bonds, silver, or even cotton prices. Now, imagine a clothing company who needs cotton after 1 month. Today, the cotton prices is rupees 100 per kg. Now, the company is worried. What if the cotton prices rises to 150 in future? So now, what does the company does is, he comes in a contract with the seller today and decide a fixed price of rupees 110. Now, two things could happen. If the market prices of the cotton rises to 150, the company wins because he will only pay 110, which was decided in the contract. And if the cotton prices drops to 90 rupees, the seller wins because the company still pays 110 as decided. So this type of contract is called derivative contract, where the value depends on the cotton prices. So now, why do people use derivatives? The first reason is for hedging. It means to reduce the risk. Here in this example, the company was worried what if the cotton prices rises in future. That's why they come in a contract to protect themselves for uncertainty. Second, for speculation. There are also many people who are not the seller nor even the buyer, but they know that the cotton prices will rise in future. So that's why they come in a contract just to make a profit from the changing prices. So derivatives are used by hedger to protect themselves and even by the speculator just to make a profit.